Hi guys, it's Jerry from Martin Motorsports. Welcome to another edition of MMS Garage. Today we're going to talk about how to change your belt properly on your snowmobile. Today we're using a 2019 Ski-Doo Summit 850 for our video, but please check your owner's manual for your specific year and model machine. The first we do is take the cover off. And the belt guard. Put your brake on. So we're going to remove the belt. You want to take the clutch wrench out of the belt guard on this model. Bring it over and put it inside the secondary clutch to spread it apart. As it makes contact, it opens up the clutch and the belt's falling down. Screw it as far in as you can. And all you have to do is take your belt, slide it over the top, remove it from your clutch, and here's your belt. When putting belts on, most common problem is on the belt there's a rotation arrow, and some people don't know that and can put the belt on backwards. So when replacing the belt or putting back the belt after you take it off to check it, make sure it goes in the proper direction of rotation. On a Ski-Doo, it is always counterclockwise this way. So when you stick it on, the rotation is going to point to the front of the machine. Here again, arrow's pointing this way. Slide your belt down over the primary, back over the secondary, and remove your tool slowly. A trick to this is keep moving your belt, otherwise it jams up and makes it harder to do it as this comes together. So turn it a bit and rotate your belt. It keeps pushing it up. You can see the belt's coming up higher and higher in the secondary. Take the tool completely out. Now grab your belt and work it around like this so it pushes it all the way up so you can check your tension properly to see what your height is. On this model, the belt height is the bottom of the cog flush with the pulley. If you're not sure how to do it, you can refer to our video on how to do a belt height adjustment. There you have it, all done. If you have any questions, visit one of our 2 stores in Edmonton or go online at martinmotorsports.ca.